Hi guys, Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. My name is Monica. I do makeup tutorials, vlogs, challenges, or pretty much whatever I can think of. For today's video, we're gonna be doing this purple cut crease using the James Charles x Morphe palette. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep on watching. First things first, we're going to be starting off with soft ochre and apply this all over the lid. So guys, earlier I got an email from YouTube that I reached over 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. I know that's not that much, but you know, 100 subscribers, 100 of you guys watching me, that's awesome. And I can't wait to reach 500 because I'm gonna be doing another giveaway. So if you guys could please help me reach 500, that would be awesome. If you guys haven't seen my latest video, I did my little brother's makeup using this palette, and you guys should watch it because he's hilarious. I had fun doing that video. So right now we're gonna be using this purple shade right here. It's the lighter one, and I'm just gonna apply that on my crease. As you guys can see, I go back and forth with the Morphe M332 and the MAC 224. With the MAC 24, you actually get more of a softer look, but when you use the Morphe brush, it gives you kind of like a harsh line. I'm now gonna take this purple shade right here to further deepen my crease. Next, I'm going to be cutting my crease using the Jumbo Eye Pencil from NYX. And I'm going to use a flat brush to blend everything out. Since we have eyeshadow on the lid, when you mix it with white, it turns into this like really nice lavender color. That's okay because we're gonna be applying an eyeshadow on top of it. I'm just using this to sharpen my crease. Now I'm gonna be taking this shimmery purple and just apply that on the lid. I'm gonna be focusing it more on the middle. And I'm just using the same brush. I want to further deepen my outer V, so I'm going to be taking this black color right here and just focusing it on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm going to be applying a lighter shade on the inner corners. I'm going to be taking this shade with another flat brush. I'm just going to pop that just on the inside. And I'm going to take the other flat brush and just blend the two together. Now moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Inglot number 77 gel liner. For this look, I want to do a thick eyeliner, but you can go ahead and do like a thin one if that's your preference. I'm gonna take a makeup wipes to clean up under the eye. This will also create that sharp outer V. I'm now gonna apply my foundation. I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Medium to highlight. I went ahead and finished my face off camera. If you guys are interested in me doing a foundation routine, let me know in the comments down below. Now let's finish up with the eyes. I'm gonna be applying an inner corner highlight. I'm gonna be using Nylon by MAC. I'm gonna be applying the lighter purple from the palette and apply it on the lower lash. Basically, whatever I put on the crease, I'm gonna be applying it on the lower lash as well. And depending on you guys, if you want to drag it a little bit lower, you can. But for me, I don't like it to be too dark on my lower lash because it closes my eyes. And now I'm going to be taking the darker purple and just focusing that on the waterline. And with a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend the two together. To cut off some time, I went ahead and applied my lashes, and the lashes that I'm using is by Lily Lashes in the style Opulence. Since I want the eyeshadow to stand out more, I'm gonna be doing a more natural lip color. I'm gonna be taking ColourPop's Chi Lip Liner. I'm going to pair that with Kylie Cosmetics Dolce K liquid lipstick. I'm also gonna apply a little bit of gloss on top. Let's finish up this look with Morphe Setting Mist. Alrighty guys, here's our final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial and learned something from it. I can't wait to create more looks for you guys using this palette. Please follow me on my Instagram right over here. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and also hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified every time I post. Thank you again so much, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.